Welcome to MagicDesigners demo. In this short video, I'll walk you through how to create high converting designs that will look like they were crafted by top tier high-end designer all in just few clicks. Once you start using MagicDesigners, people will start asking, who designed these for you? That's how powerful this tool is. So stay tuned and watch this demo video till the end. When you log into MagicDesigners dashboard, you can start designing instantly by clicking on the Create button. Next, choose a designer based on your specific design needs. Each designer is an AI expert specialized in their own field. Now, in this case, we want to create a logo. So we'll choose Alex. He's our expert logo designer. So let's select that. Creating logo is simple using MagicDesigners. All you need to do is tell us your brand name here. So this will be the business name used in your logo design. Describe your ideal logo. Provide a brief description about your business. For example, what kind of business that you have. Let's say restaurant business or real estate business, online offline business. And you can add more details describing like what kind of style you want, theme, font, overall feel of the design. And if you don't know what to write, just click on random content. This will fill out a basic description for you so you can edit, modify and get started. So this will be your starting point. Okay, so if you don't know what to write or you think like, oh, I don't know what to write, just click on random content and it will generate a sample content for you. Each time you will click on that, it will keep rotating and giving you the new kind of description for the logos. Okay, now let's say you find an image that you wanted to replicate. Let's say you find a logo style. So what you want to do is you save that image, drag and drop here, and what MagicDesigner automatically does is it will analyze that image and fill the description for you, so you can create visual reference of the images that you can find anywhere else. So I'll show that in a minute. So next one is AI improve. So let's say you wanted to improvise your description. Let me show you how this works. I'll delete this and click on AI improve. It will polish your description or enhance your description. So as you can see, it will fill out entire description for you, so you can create better logos or better design. Okay, now you can choose a range of preferred logo styles such as modern, which is like sleek and minimalistic designs, slab. If you want a strong and structured font in your logos, you can go for slab. Handwritten is like more like elegant script-based logos. Playful, when you want to have fun and creative styles in your logos. Futuristic is when you need to create logo like a technology logo or software logo, so you can use futuristic for that. Next one is choose your aspect ratio. So you can select your desired aspect ratio based on where you will use the logo, such as square and landscape or portrait. You can select image output from PNG and JPEG and hit generate. Now let's create a logo for a restaurant business. So let me fill in these details. We'll choose some random text. Let's fill in some details like so designer logo for restaurant business. And now let's choose a playful style and we want square logo. So hit generate. Alright, so as you can see, it's amazing output. It's really good. And if you are not satisfied with the output, you can always go back and hit generate again Now let me show you another let's create beauty and cosmetic logo. So let's do that. And hit generate. So as you can see, it created this good looking logo in a couple of seconds. Now let's try something else. Let me copy and paste some text here. Wow, this looks amazing. Okay, so once you satisfied your results, you can go here and download it and use it for your business. As you can see, your logos will be downloaded in very high quality. You can create logos for any business, online, offline, like creative agency, marketing agency, real estate, health and wellness, travel and tourism, and whatnot. So as you can see on my designs, we have created different kind of logos over here. So you can see there's a restaurant logo here. So these all are like amazing logos. So next I'm going to show you how you can create high quality stock photos for your product and business in no time. And here describe the photo that you wanted to create. So let's say I want to create a fashion photography, a t-shirt, a girl which she's wearing a t-shirt and some kind of slogan written over her t-shirt. So let's create that. Okay, now this looks amazing, isn't it? Now let's try something else. Wow, so as you can see, it's kind of different level. Now let's say you want to create a photo for your blog post or social media. So let's say create a photo of pancake salad, and I'm gonna put some details on it. So garnish fresh greens, okay, cherry tomatoes, and a stack of fluffy right. So this looks really nice. Now here's what you can do. So on the top you can see open editor. Now click on that. This will open up a full-fledged text editor. So you can add text, you can change, you can have like different kind of filters. So you can apply filters, so you can create photos and then apply filter on that. Okay, so in this case, then you can resize your images, you can crop your images in different sizes, okay, and you can draw on your designs. If you want to do some designs, you can have text layers on here. So let's say I want to have 10 breakfast ideas for the morning. Okay, 10 morning breakfast ideas. Okay, that looks fine. Now let's change the font and choose some color. Let's say white. Let me make them bigger. Okay, yeah, you can add drop shadow. So let's say you can add drop shadow like this, okay, and hit apply. You can add shapes. So for example, let's say I'm gonna add some shapes like that. You can add some shapes over it, and then you can add arrows. You can change the arrow color. I mean, pretty much everything that you wanted to create, it can create. Okay. Then you have options to choose stickers, so you can choose the stickers. For example, let's say coffee. Let me grab some coffee here. Okay. And then you can have like frames, so you can add some frames around it. Let's say add this frame around it. So this is so cool, you know. And once you are done, you click on done, and this will automatically save on your dashboard. Next up is William. He's our doodle design expert. So if you want to create fun and eye-catching illustrations and doodles, William is your guy. So let's create the select. Now here, describe a doodle that you want to create. So let's say says now let's select cartoon and let's choose. Now you get option to choose from color doodle and black and white doodle. So let's say we choose color doodle and then hit generate. All right. So you can use these on your kids book. You can sell it on Amazon. It's a book cover or something. And let me show you something else. So let's create something else. Okay, now let's create something else. So let's say doodle design. Cartoon, and this time we will select black and white and portrait as expert. Right. So you can use these for kids coloring book, and there's so much you can do with this. There's a couple of different styles, so you can select character, nature. You can create doodle icons. You can create doodle typography. Okay, so the possibilities are endless. Now let's go back and let me show you other designers. Now let's say you want to create zoom background. So here's Maya. She can create a zoom background for you. So what you need to do is just describe what kind of background you want. So design zoom. Setup. Maybe meeting room. Okay, select zoom background, and we want it to as a wide screen. So as you can see, it just creates whatever you want to create. So you can use it for your Zoom meetings, and you can use it for your website or something. So yeah, so you can create patterns, you can create your product backgrounds, right? So that's Maya for you. Let me go back and show you some stuff. So let's go and select Leonardo. Leonardo creates stunning and amazing sketches. So let's say design sketch, let's say pencil sketch, pencil sketch. Right, and right. So as you can say, it can create amazing sketches for you. Let's say design a pencil sketch of like right, and hit generate. Wow. So you can see, you can print them, literally print these out and put it on your wall. You can sell them on Etsy. So that's what you can do with it. Now let's head over to our next designer. See, let's say if you want to create quotes, Daniel is your guy. So let's select Daniel, and here you can choose what kind of quote you want to create. So in this for the example, let's say create success. Now just select category from here and choose your aspect ratio, and you can hit generate. It will automatically fetch the content, the copy for you, the quote for you. As you can see, it created amazing quote for me. And let's try to create something like create a quote. Love, and select love and hit generate. Right, so it created amazing quote by its own, but you can choose your own quote. So let's say create a quote. Says dreams. Right, and it's going to be inspirational. As you can see, now you can customize it by saying like use big fonts, use inspirational background image. Even if you can give like font size, colors, and pretty much everything that you wanted to create. So it's like giving instructions to your own designer to design according to you. So it will always come up with the new designs, new stuff, and you won't be able to bore with the designs. Each time you log into MagicDesigners and you hit you wanted to create some graphics, it will always brings you the new and refreshing graphics. Let's try creating this. Right, it looks really good. Okay, so let's go back and I'll show you our last designer. So let's create again, and let's choose Olivia. Now here you can select your platform that you wanted to create post. So let's say we want to create an Instagram post. Okay, and let's say we want to create a grand opening of restaurant. So let's say create a post for grand opening restaurant. And add some details to it. So let's say it has large red banner says and so we want to have a red banner at the top that says grand opening, in bold white letters. So we can add as much as detail we want to have, and so that on that banner, below that banner, we want to have a burger. So let's say below that banner, okay, and okay, and product and background has a wood texture. Now let's select the aspect ratio square and hit generate. Okay, so as you can see, it created amazing ad for us. Now let's create something else. Let's say design interest. Design post says home. We want to have a person at the back working, so let's say stock photo working. Okay, and let's click on AI improve, so we can improve the background and hit generate. So it created entire very engaging graphics. So these are all the designers that you can use immediately to create your designs. Now let me show you one more last but not least feature that is available on MagicDesigners, which is generative fill. So in order to use generative fill, click on generative fill here, then drag and drop your image here, or you can upload your image from the computer. So I'm gonna drag and drop the image here, and here you will see here the brush size and brush color and what would you like to do. So if you can see here, I can change the brush color. So let's say keep it red. Here I just paint this area and add a camel here. As you can see, it added a camel here, and you can see the variations over here, and you can change one of whatever you look like the best. And see, remove background. So let's click on that and select one of these. So for example, let's use this. Okay, so as you can see, it removed the background and it looks perfect. Let's download it. As you can see how good this is. Now on your dashboard you will get your personal design feed, so you can see all your designs that you are creating as a design feed. So if you so earlier whatever we created in this way, this demo video is all shown here. Now you can click on any of these images and hover over and you can preview the image here. You can copy the prompt, you can edit image further, you can download, see the size, your aspect ratio, and when this is created. If you click on three dots here, you can edit the image directly from here. You can download, copy the image URL so you can share with someone, and you can delete the image. And you can scroll down and it will keep on loading, and you can see what we are creating recently. So these are all amazing new designs that we are creating in MagicDesigners. So that's the demo video of MagicDesigners. Hope you like the video, and if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our support and we will be happy to help you. Cheers.